The inverter generates alarm 2012 string current backfeed. Alarm. View alarm information. Log in to the Fusion Solar Smart PVMS. Alarm management. 2012 string current backfeed. Solution. If the configurations of PV strings connected in parallel to the same MPPT circuit are different. After the string current decreases to 0.01 amperes, turn off the switch on the device. Adjust the number of PV strings. Check whether the PV module models and parameters are identical. Check whether the corresponding PV string is shaded. Check whether the open circuit voltage of the corresponding PV string is abnormal. Check whether the PV modules of the corresponding PV string are connected in reverse polarity.